Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nika. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. If you are returning, welcome back, welcome back. It's the weekend. Go ahead and hit like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss when we drop the new heat. And yeah, it is 7 o'clock. I am fully dressed. About to attend this conference, this church conference. And that's pretty much going to be my Saturday. And then I have a client once I get done. So I'm gonna try to record me doing her makeup. Yeah. I got 5 minutes to head out the door. About to moisturize the face. And I thought I was gonna have time to do a what do you call it, a makeup look, but I don't think I will. So yeah, I will be back. I'm gonna do this weekend vlog. Shout out my girl Felicia. I like when she do her weekend vlogs. I'm like, that's a really good idea, so I'm gonna try it. I don't think I really have much going on this weekend though, but we'll see. So let me make my smoothie and get up out of here. So I got a few minutes. I just did my skin. I'm gonna do my brows, and what I may do is just use some concealer just to look like something's on my face. I'm gonna wear my glasses today too. My eye's still bothering me, so I wore my contacts for a few days, but I'm gonna go ahead and take them off for a bit. It's supposed to be like a heat advisory today too, so I hope I don't burn up in this little shirt. But the air was blasting yesterday in the church, so I think I should be fine. So this is really considered a makeup, no makeup look. My sister is picking me up, so she's running a little behind, so I'm like, oh, well, perfect. That'll give me time to do my makeup. I just got some eye cream underneath my eye. I love this brow pencil, the Benefit one. I think I told y'all. Literally, like I'm literally going to do just a little concealer just over my dark spots. I really don't want to add it underneath my eye, but we gonna add it just a tad bit. Deucey, no. Oh, I think I am supposed to be going to the farmer's market tomorrow. But I don't know, I still have enough stuff. I don't want to have too much to where it's going bad, you know, because I'm not using it. So I may not go tomorrow. And then we're like literally going to just put a face powder. And that like made my under eyes worse. wanted to bring my bags out the more. Your girl is tired, okay? So we're gonna use that Charlotte Tilbury to go ahead and smooth it out. And then I really like this Revolution blush. It like gives just like a beautiful sheen to the face. Like it's in this little pot. Just gives a nice little glow. Literally, that's all we're going to do. And then my gloss is in my purse. Oh, I got gloss right here. Literally, that's it. Am I ready here? So I gotta go. Bye.
Years been faithfully sowing. And I'm not just talking about giving in an offering. I'm talking about sowing prayers, sowing.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. Last night, as y'all can see, I didn't really get a lot of footage from the conference because, listen, baby, it was a time was had. I cried a lot. My eyes are still puffy. Listen, it was so good. But, yeah, I don't know what I got going on today. I really don't. I kind of want to color my hair, go get a lining. I want it more blonde because I feel like you can't really tell that I have hair. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I can't tell. But yeah, I'm about to make me some breakfast. And I had grabbed these vegan, let me see here. My son always right there. These pancakes, chocolate chip pancake mix. And it has, like, you really got to look at the back. It, like, has 80 calories. It don't have, like, the only thing it has, it's got fiber. It did have a little added sugar. And then it's got calcium, your iron, your potassium. But I was like, it's not too bad. And I never, before this, I really hadn't ate, what do you call it? I was about to say pineapples, pancakes. But again, I was looking for some stuff to like have in the morning time. So I was like, okay, well, let me add this.
I don't do too much with this. I just,
it's good. So I'm gonna make these real quick.
Add some water and some vanilla abstract and call it a day. And the texture of this pancake mix is different kind of than the like the original pancake mix or whatever. The taste, baby, you gotta add a little something. So the vanilla abstract adds a little taste to it. And yeah, it's like, how do I explain it? Because you don't have the certain ingredients to stick it together, it was like easy to crumble apart. But as you can see, it's not like, you know how pancakes be like soft and whatever, but these like a different texture. And I like my stuff a little bit crispier anyway, so I'm probably always cooking my stuff a little crispy. But yeah, so here go my little pancakes or whatever. And then I add agave instead of syrup and some blueberries. That just gives it a little bit, like I said, more taste because they taste a little different. But they be, they get the job done.
They have no water to quench their thirst, and he's dying. The Bible says that she was a bow shot away. In ancient times, when armies would fight each other, they would line up enough for the bow and arrows to reach each other, just enough. So she was a bow shot away. Now that's interesting. Leave that in pocket. What's interesting to me now is that there is no water.
So let's see. What did I do the rest of the day? I don't know. After I watched church, I can't even tell you what I did, to be honest. But I didn't do much of anything. So yeah, I didn't really come back. I didn't really come back until now. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Hopefully the following weekend is a little bit more going on. I don't know. But yeah, until next time, you know what it is. Check up on a loved one. Tell somebody you love them. Pay it forward. Smile at somebody you do not know. Give a compliment. Everybody deals with silent battles. So be a positive light in somebody's life. Spread positivity. And you know what it is. Live, love, laugh. Bye.